Hey folks, this is Tradytics AI. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use our stocks ticker dashboard to do your research about a company. The example we will be going through is Apple. Let's go. On the top, you see some financial metrics about the company, for instance P/E ratio, current revenue, gross profit, etc. Next comes our charting widget that has a wide variety of features. Our goal here is to keep you on our website when you want to look at charts and do your research, which is why we are always expanding our charting capabilities and adding more stuff. The default chart you see is the daily chart. On the top right, you can see a bunch of features that you can use. You can look at intraday data, draw algorithmically generated support and resistance lines, get AI-driven entry and exits, and project prices using our AI engine. Moreover, you can also change the historical period on which we calculate our technical indicators like anchored VWAP and moving averages. Finally, on the left side, you have some more charting tools for drawing on the charts. Anchored VWAP is a very useful indicator as it can spot support and resistance levels and find price reversals. VWAP line is the line that tells you the volume-weighted price, that is the price that volume is supporting right now. If a stock goes up too high but the volume does not support the price, it is bound to come back down. Please read more about anchored VWAP on Google. Although our charting is not the most comprehensive, we are adding more stuff every day and plan on making it comparable to other brands like TradingView. Next comes our scanner signals from our tool called Skinny. This tool will be discussed in more depth in a later video. We also have analyst recommendations and historical earnings that you can use to gauge how profitable and recommended a company is. The next widget on historical financial metrics is quite useful. It lets you look at a wide variety of financial metrics of a company, which helps paint an overall picture of how good of an investment a company is right now and what are the financial trends in the company. We prefer to invest in companies that have growing profits and revenues. Next comes a dark pool widget that lists the amount of shares different market participants have privately traded in the dark pools in last 1 to 2 months. Please remember that dark pool data is always delayed as it is not meant to be accessible to the public when the trades are actually happening. Next, we have a few widgets on correlations and cointegrations. Correlation is how two stocks move together. If correlation is high, two stocks will move high and low together. If correlation is negative, two stocks will move opposite to each other. Correlation is often used as a hedging strategy where stocks with negative correlation are kept in a portfolio to reduce the overall risk of the portfolio. Cointegration is a little more involved. High cointegration means that the distance between the price of two stocks remains the same. It is a concept that is extensively used in mean reversion strategies. We recommend everyone to use Google to learn more about this strategy. Finally, we have two widgets on insider transactions and latest news about the company. Insider transactions can sometimes alert investors on interesting and unusual activity going on in the company. For instance, sometimes, large shares are sold by insiders before a fraud report, or any other negative report about a company. The goal with this dashboard is to give you an ability to quickly see if a company is worth investing into or not. We want to empower retail traders so that they can make informed decisions and trade better. That is it, folks. We hope you have learned more about our stocks dashboard after watching this video.